Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm excited to show you the THudBuds TWS from Scosche. Here it is. It's a kind of a larger case, but there is wireless charging down here. And the reason why they're larger is because the earbuds have an ear loop. But what's cool about the ear loop, if you don't like them or need them at any time, they're magnetic and they come right off. They have a good stick once they're in. You can place them right back in. It's not going anywhere, but they're magnetic and they come right out when you want them to. So this is the earbud by itself. There's the charger connection point right there. I've been using these for about a week and a half now. I like the automatic EQ with these earbuds. And I really like the fact that they disconnect from the ear hook very easily. And these have a nice soft silicone rubber. They only come with one pair of these ear hooks. The kit comes with different ear covers right here for this. And then this charges via USB-C or wireless down here. And it works with your iPhone and Android devices. Also, tablets like the iPad Pro and the MacBook Pro as well. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.